Hi guys, let's see how to install the Terraform over the CentOS. Basically, the method is same related to the Red Hat, but uh, I'll explain you again over the CentOS. I'm going to root user from the normal user using the sudo command. After that, we have to install the yum-utils over there. Once it's done, we have to add the HashiCorp repository using the yum config manager command. It created this repository file over there. After that, just need to install the Terraform. Once it's done, you just need to fire the Terraform command. Yeah, it's working. You can check the version using -v option. This is the Terraform version available over the CentOS operating system. Sometimes we are facing some issues related to the CentOS. Repositories are not enabled. For that particular thing, you just need to update the Fedora repositories. So this is the first link. Uh, you have to access it. Here the Fedora APEL repos are available. If you are using CentOS over your local laptop or over the virtual machines, and you are not able to use or you are not able to subscribe the CentOS official repositories, in that particular scenario, you have to install or you have to use the Fedora repositories, or we can say the EPL repositories. After that, you can follow those steps. For installing it, you have to just choose your operating system and then need to fire the command. Thanks, guys.